Every day you lose money for two simple reasons: missed calls and wasted time. That's where an AI voice agent comes in. An AI voice agent answers inbound calls and makes outbound calls automatically, speaks naturally, and drives each conversation to a clear outcome: a booked meeting, a sent quote, or a smooth handoff to a human. Example: you get new leads from a campaign. The AI voice agent calls instantly, qualifies the lead with the right questions, captures the details, and books the appointment, without your team doing it manually. Benefit 1. Speed and scale. It can handle hundreds of calls per day, with zero breaks, zero fatigue, and instant follow-ups. Benefit 2. Lower costs. The AI takes repetitive calls off your plate, so you don't need big teams for simple scripts and routine outreach. Benefit 3. 24/7 availability. Nights, weekends, busy hours. Customers still get an immediate answer, so you stop losing opportunities. Benefit 4. Consistent quality. Same message, same flow, same key questions every time. Fewer errors, and no skipped steps. Benefit 5. Full automation. It logs everything into your CRM, sends SMS or email confirmations, and books calendar slots automatically. Bottom line, it doesn't replace your team, it amplifies it. The AI handles volume. Your humans handle high-value conversations and deal closing. The real question isn't, should you use AI voice agents? It's, how much money are you losing until you do? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.